Okay, we'll go for a quick flight. See how it does. Okay, got the Bugs 3, we'll go for a quick flight. Should be recording. Okay, well, body seems to be okay, balanced okay. After the repair. Seems to be doing alright. I'm using the Bugs 8 control, that's why it's beeping. Alright, so hopefully I'm getting a bit of footage there. Test out the camera at the same time. Alright, sweet. Oh, it's flying alright, I'm happy about that. Wasn't too sure if I could repair it where it would be strong enough and balanced enough on that arm. Woohoo! Didn't like that too much. Done its own thing then when I flipped it. Let me try a backflip. Backflips are alright, but the forward flip, didn't like that too much. And barrel rolls are fine. The front flip, well, that time it was okay. Alright. Just a bit of a test of the Bugs 3. Where I fixed the arm. Seems to be doing alright, that left hand rear. Not wobbling too much. If there's any jello, it would be the props. a bit of a humming noise, but that's just the props. Alright guys, well I'll bring it down I think. Just want to test the old Bugs 3 and this camera at the same time. Alright. Does that seem to work alright? Turn that off. I'll press that button there. That should have turned off the recording. And turn off the camera. Alright, sweet. So that was a good test of the Bugs 3. As you can see, I've fixed the arm just there with 2-part epoxy araldite glue, and it's solid, so that's good. So anyway guys, that's the original Bugs 3 that I crashed. I had this one for over a year. I crashed it not long ago on 3S, and yeah, just repaired it and test out this SQ9 camera for the first time. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Till then, happy RCing and happy flying.